Hello guys, punta tayo sa sasakyan ni yung van na ginagawa ni David. Ayan, may papakita daw siya. So, tingnan natin. Ayan, lalagyan niya ng salamin. Ow! What's that? You're breaking the thing. So, nandito tayo. Ayan. Dito yung kitchen. Oh.
Switch the engine on so we can put the lights.
Okay. So, ito na yung, may na siya. May sara na. May cover na. Look at this. So, i-start lang niya yung engine dun sa harap para ma-turn on yung light. It's a bit chilly now, is it? That light is on. That light.
Yeah, that's hooked up to a separate.
Light na doon.
US Supreme Court is the subject of Archive on 4 tonight at 8 o'clock. Before that, here's John Wilson.
Nandito yung dalawa. this is where we're going.
I'm not going anywhere.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Huh? They've heard the engine. I bet they were looking for you outside. So yan, ang ilaw. Ayan. Touch. Touch. It's a touch.
Touch.
There you go.
Goes brighter.
Oh. So yan. How about these ones? Oh, you just turned it off.
This one.
Ah, so it's that one.
How's that one coming?
It's not turning
Oh,
on.
it's that one. Oh,
That's different. How about this one? Oh, look at this. It's bright
So
now.
those-
It's good for vlogging here inside. The light is.
those are controlled by this light switch.
Those two.